Welcome to Fun and Easy Hungarian by HungarianPod101.com. Did you know that the Hungarian word szia can be used both when saying hello and saying goodbye? Stay tuned to learn more. Sziasztok, Jennifer vagyok. Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer. In this lesson, you'll learn how to say hello in Hungarian. If you want to leave a good impression and plan on making it last, learning how to say hello in Hungarian is a must. Since people in European cultures tend to pay a lot of attention to proper greetings, you have to make sure that you're showing a good amount of respect when greeting someone. Proper manners are kind of a big deal in Hungary, so it's important that you don't take their language and their proper usage for granted. In this video, you'll learn everything about greetings in Hungarian. Let's start with the formal hello in Hungarian. Here are the most common ways to say hello in Hungarian for each time of the day. In the morning, we use jó reggelt kívánok. Good morning. Jó reggelt kívánok. Jó reggelt kívánok. Starting from around 12 p.m., it's better to switch to jó napot kívánok. Good day. Jó napot kívánok. Jó napot kívánok. Around 5 p.m., you can start saying jó estét kívánok. Good evening. Jó estét kívánok. Jó estét kívánok. And for the night, we use jó éjszakát kívánok. Good night. Jó éjszakát kívánok. Jó éjszakát kívánok. Do you wonder why kívánok is used in every expression? This actually means I wish you and makes you sound very polite. You can also drop this word and use the expressions without it. Next is Viszontlátásra or Viszlát. Goodbye. Viszontlátásra or Viszlát. Viszontlátásra or Viszlát. It's difficult to say the exact time when you have to switch between greetings, but when you advance in Hungarian, you'll also develop a feeling for it. If you talk to elderly women, you might want to use Kezét, csókolom or Kezit, csókolom. Kiss on your hands. Kezét, csókolom or Kezit, csókolom. Kezét, csókolom or Kezit, csókolom. This goes back to the time when men greeted women with a hand kiss. Today, this custom isn't that common anymore, but it remains a formal greeting expression. Note that all of these greetings are very common among close friends and relatives. They're not only used in formal environments. Let's continue with informal greetings. The informal Hungarian language is commonly used by friends, family, and lovers. Let's now learn how to say hello when you're around your friends. You just have to say szia, hi, szia, szia. The pronunciation might be the hardest part to master. If you need some help, try to say szia, but keep the Y silent. Repeat after me. Szia. If you enter a group of people and you want to greet everyone, you can say Sziasztok. Hi guys. Sziasztok! Sziasztok! What's special about these greetings is that you can also use them to say goodbye. You can use them when you arrive and when you leave. Isn't that cool? And lastly, we have some useful second thoughts. Now that you know how to say hello, it's time to learn how to leave a good impression on the person you're talking to. There are many ways to say nice to meet you in Hungarian. In a formal setting, it's Örülök, hogy megismertem. Örülök, hogy megismertem. Örülök, hogy megismertem. You can shorten it to Örvendek. I'm happy. Örvendek. Örvendek. For informal settings, we say Örülök, hogy megismertelek. Örülök, hogy megismertelek. Örülök, hogy megismertelek. You can also use the short form. Örülök. I'm happy. Örülök. Örülök. Note that while the shortened formal form is used commonly, for informal settings, it's still better to stick with Örülök, hogy megismertelek. And here are the essentials for self-introductions. Én Jennifer vagyok. I'm Jennifer. Én Jennifer vagyok. Én Jennifer vagyok. You can use this as a way to say, hello, my name is. Just exchange Jennifer with your own name. When asking for someone else's name, you can say the formal, Hogy hívják? What's your name? Hogy hívják? Hogy hívják? Or the informal, Hogy hívnak? What's your name? Hogy hívnak? Hogy hívnak? And when asking, how are you? You can say the formal, Hogy van? Hogy van? Hogy van? Or the informal, Hogy vagy? Hogy vagy? Hogy vagy? In this lesson, you learn how to say hello in Hungarian, as well as the different types of informal greetings and some useful phrases when introducing yourself. Want to learn Hungarian fast with PDF cheat sheets? You get cheat sheets for all kinds of topics: travel, hobbies, love, and much more. You learn all of the must-know words and phrases for each. Click the link in the lesson description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get them. That's it for today. See you next time! Viszontlátásra!